Hey, congratulations and welcome to the Cargoese family. Here's a quick install video. Step 1. Lift and place your new Cargoese slide in the bed of your truck. Expert tip, do the step with Buddy. Many hands make light work. Bonus tip, lift with your legs. No one needs an achy back. Step 2. Position and center your slide in the bed. We recommend measuring from both sidewalls so you're more accurate. Step 3. Drill 2 holes in the front of your bed wall for your 2 L bolts. We use a 5/8 drill bit. Step 4. Insert your L bolts. Now throw a washer on either side of the slide frame and screw on 2 nuts per bolt. Place your included bolt covers over the bolts. Step 5. Enjoy your new Cargoese slide.